tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to TechUnboxPro. Today, we're diving into the Infinix Zero 18 Pro 2026, a phone that promises premium design, powerful performance, and an ultra-responsive camera system, all packed in a sleek titanium silver body. Starting with the design, the Infinix Zero 18 Pro features a smooth gradient back with a triple camera module that shines under cinematic lighting. We placed it on a glossy glass table, capturing the reflections and details in 8K ultra-realistic DSLR quality. Every curve and edge is visible, giving you the premium feel of the device even on screen. Moving to the front, the display is bright, sharp, and vibrant, showing all essential information clearly, including time, battery, notifications, and app icons. The touch response is extremely fast and smooth, making scrolling and app transitions seamless. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this phone keeps up without lag. The camera setup is impressive. The main sensor captures vivid details, and the ultra-wide lens lets you shoot stunning landscapes and group shots effortlessly. Night mode performance is notable, and video recording in high resolution provides crisp and stable footage. In terms of performance, the Infinix Zero 18 Pro is powered by a high-speed processor with ample RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. Apps launch quickly, animations are fluid, and heavy games run without stutter. Battery life is solid, and with fast charging support, you can power up in no time. Overall, the Infinix Zero 18 Pro combines style, performance, and innovation in one package. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, gamer, or photography lover, this device is designed to impress. If you enjoyed this review and want more daily smartphone updates, unboxings, and tech insights, make sure to subscribe to TechUnboxPro and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more premium mobile content.